was my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast weather, the sun sets slow. Say what? Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave 'em shouting for more. Beach in the sand, with that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. With that funkin' reach, got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79, we're built to outlast.